Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear your group history on your Telegram's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To clear your group history on your Telegram's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Telegram application on your device. The home page of Telegram will be displayed on the screen. Click on any group whose history you'd want to clear and tap on it. Now click on three dots at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down, tap on Clear History option. From the pop-up, confirm clearing of history by tapping on Clear for All, and that's how you'll be able to clear group history on your Telegram's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.